Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Ethereum or ETH. If you guys like Ethereum or hold Ethereum, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. We talk about pretty much every altcoin out there, from Bitcoin all the way down to, Theta, Chainlink, Polkadot, whatever you guys want to hear about, Cardano. So make sure, like I said, to subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. So Ethereum specifically at $2,735, a 7.33% increase in the last 24 hours, which is fairly solid. A market cap right now of about $317.8 billion, and the volume in the last 24 hours being $42.5 billion. If you guys don't know what Ethereum is a decentralized computing platform that uses ETH, also called Ether, to pay transaction fees or gas. Developers can use Ethereum to run decentralized applications or dApps and issue new crypto assets known as Ethereum tokens. So realistically, Ethereum is doing fairly good right now, a 7% increase. If we take a look at the last week, and we are seeing a decrease of about 19%, but if you take a look at the last month, that's where you see that 17 to 18% increase. Ethereum's had a really, really strong push before this crypto market dip or crash. We saw it go up to about $4,400, very, very close to it, and then we saw a massive dip all the way down to $1,728. So we are pushing back up now. A lot of people thinking we're getting started back onto another bull run and Ethereum is going to do big things. Well, I'll give you guys my price predictions for May, June, and 2021 here at the end of the video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. I do want to go over some big information regarding Ethereum, big news that could push Ethereum to the next level. So we'll talk about that, as well as first I want to say, guys, if you want to enter my giveaway, you can just go into the description of this video, follow me on Twitter, and then retweet this tweet. So if link is valued below $40 by the end of May, I will give someone who retweets and is following 50 link. It's that simple. I want to give, kind of give back during a crypto market crash because, maybe in 6 months we'll have this 50 link be worth $200 a piece, and you'll have a great amount there to really help with this crypto market dip or crash. Hopefully you didn't sell, hopefully you're still holding, and you do expect big things to come as well. So jumping into the first article today, it's the Amazon of information. Goldman initiates on crypto sees Ethereum overtaking Bitcoin. So we see a lot of different institutions and people talking about Ethereum having a possibility of taking over Bitcoin in the near future. It's crazy to hear this. This was a little bit older, but I did want to mention it. May 23rd, this came out. It's crazy to see a lot of people talking more about how Ethereum is the Amazon of information. That's a great, really, explanation of really what Ethereum does and what it is capable of doing. So it's definitely a good article here. Jumping into another one, we have 1.3 trillion crypto price crash. So leaked Goldman Sachs prediction gives high chance Ethereum will eclipse Bitcoin. That's what we just talked about. The fact that people are starting to believe that, realistically we can see Ethereum eclipse Bitcoin, it's just crazy to see that taking place. A lot of people understand that there's so much utility behind Ethereum and the idea of the use cases. Ethereum does have more use cases in my opinion as well. So jumping into the next article, we see Ethereum has much higher utility than Bitcoin, says Guggenheim. So co-founder Todd Morley talked about this as well. So as we have this ad pop up on us, Ethereum has much higher utility than Bitcoin. So that's a huge thing to talk about as well. So the quick take is Guggenheim co-founder Todd Morley has said that Ethereum has much higher utility. Morley also says, or I guess is the chairman of blockchain project Overline, is building a wireless protocol in the world's largest NFT museum. So it's a big guy to definitely have on your side. So Ethereum definitely going to be pushed up by a couple different people. I believe heard Mark Cuban talk about this as well, as Ethereum is one of the bigger assets he's holding as well. I believe I heard that. So don't take that with a grain of salt, but I definitely think I heard of that. Now it kind of rang a bell. But GameStop is hiring for a new NFT platform on Ethereum. So the video game retailer, has already created a token for its NFTs on Ethereum. This is a big deal. So we'll see what happens with GameStop. It's already gone up 3% is what I was heard last. I don't know. It's probably gone up and down quite a bit since then, but 3% is what it was up once this was announced. We continue to see big things for the video game retailer GameStop, for really connecting with the NFT space in Ethereum. So we'll see what takes place. But they do have some quick details here. I'll just read over a few of them. The address shows that as part of the plan for the platform, GME has already created an ERC 721 standard token, which is used to create NFTs. While details of the planned platform are so far in short supply, a graphic stating power to the players, power to the creators, and power to the collectors may suggest NFTs will be based on gaming. GameStop was at the center of trading frenzy driven by Reddit forum Wall Street Bets in January, which saw saw the company's stock roar to $483 on January 27th, having traded for $18 at the end of 2020. So we are seeing 2020. Sorry, I'm struggling to talk there, but no, it really is crazy to see, Ethereum do these big things, taking big names like GameStop. It's a video game retailer that's been struggling for a while now, and they're trying to jump into a new space, which is really good for the cryptoverse as a whole, as well as the NFT platforms. I think this is definitely the way we need to go, is really just mass adoption. New institutions, companies that are having problems, that things aren't really working out for them, they're going to find ways to survive, and this is one way to do it. They're jumping onto new things, new inventions, new really categories that could help them out. NFTs is definitely one of them, and we'll see what GameStop ends up doing and building there. Jumping into the gas prices, I want to take a look at this because gas prices or gas, the gas tracker shows very, very low fees right now. So if you guys are looking to take advantage of this, definitely do so. If you need to move coins to a wallet or move coins from a wallet, the low gas fees right now is a great sign that maybe we're on the right. Maybe we're in the right direction. Maybe we're going down the right path. Hopefully, we can continue to keep low gas fees. I don't think this will continue on. I think the gas fees will rise again once we see a lot more people understanding that we are going back to a bull run. I do expect these gas prices to raise significantly. Jumping into the last little article. It's not really an article. I just took a screenshot because it was on Bloomberg, and they have obviously everything hidden unless you have a membership. So Carbon Bubble. Ethereum closes in on long-sought fix to cut energy use over 99%. Shift could boost either as, Bitcoin's environmental wrap worsens. ETH's 45,000 gigawatt usage may fall to 1/10,000th of that. So that's a huge decrease. And I do think this is going to be very, very good for Ethereum. Ethereum has been getting a lot of good news recently. A lot of big names and players are talking more and more about Ethereum eclipsing Bitcoin, like we just stated. And, a lot of good things are coming for Bitcoin. Not a lot of good things are coming for Bitcoin. A lot of good things are coming for Ethereum. So I do suspect, really expect, Ethereum to do very well in the upcoming months. So let's talk about price predictions for May, June, and 2021. I do think, going forward, Ethereum does have a great outlook. If we could stabilize above 3,000 by the end of May, a lot of people would be very, very happy with that. We are basically, doing that here. If we take a look at the last 24 hours, we were very, very close. So, May 26th at about 4 a.m., we were about $2,913, very, very close to 3,000. And I do think it's very, very possible for us to conservatively kind of get to that $3,000 price point and stabilize above. So we'll hopefully get to that price so that June can be even better. I will say, guys, remember, I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing, as things can change very quickly. There's a very volatile market. Ethereum, like I said, hopefully above 3,000 by the end of May. Going into the end of June, I think Ethereum could easily push closer and closer to a new all-time high. Our all-time high right now being close to that $4,400 mark. I think if we could get just to $4,000 by the end of the June, a lot of people would be very, very happy with that. I think by the end of July, we will have a new all-time high for sure. Going into the end of 2021, though, Ethereum, I do suspect, or I guess the end of the bull market, we'll go with that instead. I do think a part 2 of the bull market is going to be starting here within the next couple of weeks to a month. And I think, Ethereum realistically is going to push closer and closer to, new all-time highs. But by the end of the year, by the end of the bull market, realistically, we're going to easily have a new all-time high, hopefully around $10,000. A lot of people are hoping, they're hoping for about $10,000 to $18,000. I've seen a lot of price points around $10,000 to $18,000. I think realistically, $10,000 sounds good. I think that's a conservative price point. That's definitely possible. So $10,000 for Ethereum is my price prediction by the end of the year. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and talking about Ethereum. Sorry we had some hiccups along the way. I always try to keep these videos unedited so that we can keep them as transparent as possible. I like transparency. That's one of the things I always try to do here. And actually, if you go to my Twitter, the first thing you'll see if you go to my profile is the first thing is there's nothing worse than content creators making sponsor videos and not being transparent about it. So transparency, like I said, is one of the major things I hold here on the channel. So if you guys are good with transparency, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Happy bull market.